Are you having this problem? Doesn't stay on max AC. When you turn it to heat, do you not have heat in the car? Well, beautiful people, in this video, I'm gonna teach you exactly what to do. We're gonna look at it, we're gonna fix it, and let's get started. So, for right now, the only thing y'all really need is these bad boys right here. All right, y'all, so the first thing y'all wanna do, go ahead, lower this glove box, you just pinch it. There's this little clip right here. All you do, there you go. Just pull it out like that, and the glove box comes all the way down. Now, you see in here, this is what it is right here. So, let's see what we can do with this. You go to AC, it gets stuck right there. Go all the way to heat. Door should close. Let's see here. Shouldn't be hitting that. Okay, it moves up and down. So let's see what we can do. Assuming this. That's that. Okay, cool. Ah, hold the phone. Ah, you see what's going on here? This is connected up there. So this should probably be connected up there on that guy. Right, let's see what we can do. Beautiful. Right, I'm going to try to give y'all a better look at it. So, right here, all the way in the air, right on top of my finger, this little thing right here, that was disconnected from this. This is the actuator for your heat and your AC. You hear that little click? Maybe not, but that little click, that's where it's supposed to be, all the way up there. So, you see right in there? Right in here, right? There's this big actuator right here that connects to whether you want to change the defroster or you want it on your toes or your face or whatever. This one down here, right here, that's the one for your heat and your AC. So what happened, this connection up here, right on top of my finger, that was disconnected from this, right? So that's why it was pushing down and you couldn't get max AC. But at the same time, because it wasn't connected, it wasn't going all the way, closing the door, giving you heat. So now we're gonna try it out. As y'all can hear, I got it at full blast. It's facing towards me. Give it a little minute, couple minutes, it should heat up. But it's already starting to feel a little bit hotter than usual. Car's cold, so it didn't get super hot, but it started to heat up, which is a very good thing. All right, now very simply, we're just gonna put everything back together. Take my flashlight out. Gonna put everything back in the glove box that we need. Perfect. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna squeeze it back and bam. Now this little clip, just push it down and pop. And closes, and That's all, folks. All right, well, so now, if that was just your problem, your heat should be fixed. I applaud you. You did a very good job. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss out on anything that I post. I know my schedule is a little up, but hey, bear with me. I hope you enjoyed this. As always, this is Al from Al's Auto. Peace.